हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू नॉलेज नेस्ट। इस वीडियो में हम NCERT ज्योग्राफी क्लास 9th का फर्स्ट चैप्टर इंडिया साइज एंड लोकेशन पढ़ेंगे। बेसिकली इन दिस चैप्टर वी आर गोइंग टू स्टडी अबाउट द लोकेशन एंड साइज ऑफ अ कंट्री, इंडिया एंड द वर्ल्ड, एंड द लास्ट बट नॉट द लीस्ट, इंडियाज नेबर्स। चलो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड।
अबे जल्दी बोल, कल सुबह पनवेल निकलना है।
India, that is Bharat, lies in the northern hemisphere. As we all know, hemisphere is a circle drawn around the Earth's center which divides it into two equal halves or spheres. There are generally four hemispheres: southern, northern, eastern and western hemisphere. So, our country lies in the northern hemisphere. Before proceeding further, let us know what is latitude and longitude. Longitude. Longitude is the distance of a place east or west of a line from north to south pole that passes through Greenwich in London. We measure both latitude and longitude in degrees. Latitude means the distance of a place north or south of the equator. Latitude, as mentioned earlier, is also measured in degrees. The main land of the country extends between latitude 8 degree and 4 minutes north and 37 degree and 6 minutes north, and longitude extends from 68 degree east and 97 degree east. The Tropic of Cancer divides India into almost two equal halves. To the southeast and southwest of the mainland lie the Andaman and Nicobar Islands and the Lakshadweep Islands in Bay of Bengal and Arabian Sea. हमारा next topic है size of India. The area of India is 3.28 million square kilometers. जो इंडिया का एरिया है वो टोटल वर्ल्ड एरिया का 2.4% है. India has a land boundary of about 15,200 kilometers. Our country is bounded by the Young Fold Mountains in the northwest, north and northeast. South of about 22 degree north latitude, it begins to taper and extends towards the Indian Ocean, dividing it into two seas, the Arabian Sea on the west and Bay of Bengal on the east. Figure 1.3 of this chapter shows the latitudinal and longitudinal extent of the mainland, which is about 30 degrees. Despite this fact, the east-west extent appears to be smaller than the north-east-south extent. एक और important point है कि that there is a lag of 2 hours from Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh. इसीलिए किसी तरीके की कोई confusion को avoid करने के लिए standard meridian select किया जाता है, which is taken as the standard time for the entire country. Hence, time along the standard meridian of India, 82 degree 30 minutes east, passing through Mirzapur in UP, is taken as the standard time. Since 82 degree 30 minutes east lies almost in the middle of India, so it is chosen at the standard meridian. एक और interesting question है कि why is the difference between durations of the day and night hardly felt at Kanyakumari but not in Kashmir? इसका explanation बहुत ही simple है. हम लोगों को इंडिया के मैप पर कश्मीर एंड कन्याकुमारी की लोकेशन देखनी चाहिए. If we look at the map, Kashmir is located far from the equator, but Kanyakumari is located near the equator. Therefore, the difference in day and night is almost 1 hour in कन्याकुमारी, बट कश्मीर इक्वेटर से दूर है, इसीलिए देयर इज अ डिफरेंस इन डे एंड नाइट एज कंपेयर्ड टू कन्याकुमारी. Our third topic is India and the world. As we all know, our country has rich cultural heritage and India's contacts with the world have continued through ages. Since times immemorial, various passes across the mountains in the north have provided passages to the ancient travelers through which exchange of ideas and commodities like spices, muslin and other products took place. Our next topic is India's neighbors. India occupies an important strategic position in South Asia. India has 28 states and 8 union territories. India shares its land boundaries with Pakistan and Afghanistan in the northwest, China, Nepal, and Bhutan in the north, and Myanmar and Bangladesh in the east. Our southern neighbors across the sea consist of two island countries, namely Sri Lanka and Maldives. Sri Lanka is separated from India by a narrow channel of sea formed by the Park Strait, which is named after Robert Park, who was Governor General of Madras during British India, and the Gulf of Mannar, while Maldives Islands are situated to the south of Lakshadweep Island. Time for some bonus points. The area-wise smallest state of India is Goa, and the area-wise largest state of India is Rajasthan. The longest border is shared with Bangladesh. The shortest border is shared with Afghanistan. The states that neither share an international border nor are on the coast are Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Delhi, Haryana, Jammu Kashmir, and Telangana. States which share borders with Pakistan are Jammu Kashmir, Rajasthan, Punjab, Gujarat. Which share with China are Himachal Pradesh, Jammu Kashmir, Sikkim, Uttarakhand, Arunachal Pradesh. The states which share border with Myanmar are Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Manipur, and Mizoram. The states which share a border with Bangladesh are West Bengal, Bihar, Jharkhand, Assam, Meghalaya, and Tripura. Sri Lanka is separated from India by a narrow channel of sea formed by the Park Strait and the Gulf of Mannar. Maldives Islands are situated to the south of Lakshadweep. Now, let's look at the answers of the exercise given at the end of the chapter. Question number 1. Tropic of Cancer does not pass through Odisha. Question number 2. The easternmost longitude of India is 97 degree and 25 minutes east. Question number 3. Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal, and Sikkim have common frontiers with Nepal. Question number 4. If you intend to visit Kavarati during your summer vacations, which of the following union territories of India would you be going to? Lakshadweep. Question number 5. My friend hails from a country which does not share a land boundary with India. Identify the country. Tajikistan. Question number 6. Name the group of islands lying in the Arabian Sea. Lakshadweep Islands and the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Name the countries which are larger than India. Russia, Canada, USA, China, Brazil, and Australia. Which group of islands lie southeast to India? Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Which island countries are our southern neighbors? Sri Lanka and Maldives. Question number 3. The sun rises 2 hours earlier in Arunachal Pradesh as compared to Gujarat in the west, but the watches show the same time. How does this happen? There is a time lag of 2 hours from Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh. Since Arunachal Pradesh lies on the eastern side of India, the sun rises earlier as compared to Gujarat, which lies on the western side of India. The time along the standard meridian of India, 82 degree 30 minutes east, passing through Mirzapur, UP, is taken as the standard time for the whole country to avoid any confusion that could arise because of separate local time. The latitudinal extent influences the duration of day and night, so the watches show the same time in all parts of the country. Question number 4. The central location of India at the head of the Indian Ocean is considered of great significance. Why? India is a southward extension of the Asian continent and is strategically and centrally located between East and West Asia. The Indian Ocean provides strategic central location to India as it connects the East Asian countries with Europe in the west. The Deccan Peninsula also protrudes into the Indian Ocean, which helps India establish contacts with West Asia, Africa, Europe from the western coast, and with South Asia and East Asia from eastern coast. There is no country like India in the world which has a long coastline on the Indian Ocean, thus justifying the name of an ocean after it.
भाई आपका नॉलेज तो कमाल का है भाई का
मुझे पता है कि आप लोग भी यही बोल रहे होगे. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe